Alexa, can you give me the weather forecast for Tenerife for the next 7 days?
The forecast for the next 7 days: Tuesday, 11 degrees Celsius and showers. Wednesday, 12 degrees and showers. Thursday, 11 degrees and showers. Friday, 11 degrees and cloudy skies.
That's not right.
Saturday, 13 degrees and cloudy skies. Sunday, 16 degrees and showers.
Alexa, that weather forecast is incorrect.
Right now in Tenerife, Spain, it's 6 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies.
No, it's not.
Tonight's forecast has overcast weather.
Alexa.
with a low of 5.
Shut up. Alexa, have you got any good jokes?
How did the hipster burn his lips?
Don't know
He drank
how.
his coffee before it was cool.
Well, give us a chance to answer, yeah? Give us another joke. Alexa, a joke, please.
An Englishman, an Irishman, and a Scotsman walk into a pub. The barman says, "Hang on, is this some kind of joke?"
What? Alexa, one more joke.
What's black and white and red all over?
A newspaper.
An educated penguin.
Alexa, why do we burp?
I can't do that. Oops.
Alexa, why do we fart?
Flatulence, also called fart or flatus, is caused by intestinal gas, which is either swallowed with food or created during digestion. This gas is composed of gases like methane, which are normally odorless, but the presence of gases like sulfur can contribute to the odor.
Alexa, fart.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Hello, Alexa, how are you? Alexa, hello, how are you?
I'm feeling like dynamite.
You feel
I've
like
built a new
dynamite?
dinosaur quiz. To play, just
Right, okay,
ask, what
Alexa,
dinosaur am-
I've got a question for you. Are
Ask
you
me
ready?
anything.
Ask you
To
anything.
hear what new
Alexa.
stuff I know.
Alexa, when you go to the toilet and you have a poo, you wet your bum, do you try to pee after? I do.